Facing trouble paying your Spectrum bill? You're not alone. And fortunately, Spectrum offers several options to help you manage your payments when times get tough. Spectrum provides two main types of payment assistance: payment extensions and payment arrangements. Understanding the difference between these options is crucial for choosing the right solution for your situation. To be eligible for a payment arrangement, you need to be a current Spectrum subscriber with a monthly billing plan. This option is particularly helpful if you have a larger outstanding balance that would be difficult to pay all at once. You can find these payment options in several places. Most commonly, you can access them through your online Spectrum account or mobile app, or by contacting Spectrum customer support directly. It's important to understand Spectrum's billing timeline. Spectrum typically provides a 30-day grace period after your due date before applying late fees. However, after this grace period, you may be charged a late fee of $8.95, though this amount can vary by state. Here's a crucial tip. If you anticipate needing more time to pay your bill, it's always best to request an extension before your bill's due date. Being proactive shows good faith and significantly increases your chances of getting approval for the assistance you need. Understanding these payment options can help you avoid service interruptions and maintain your Spectrum services during financial difficulties. Remember, Spectrum wants to work with you to find a solution that works for both parties. Now we'll walk through the exact steps to request a payment extension from Spectrum. There are 6 key steps to follow for the best chance of success. Step 1. Check your online account first. Log into your Spectrum account through their website or the My Spectrum mobile app. Look for options labeled Promise to Pay or Payment Extension in the billing section. Step 2. If you don't see payment extension options online, call Spectrum customer support at 833-267-6094. Explain your financial situation honestly and request a payment extension or arrangement. Step 3. Request a one-time extension. This is especially effective if you haven't requested an extension before. Spectrum is often more willing to help first-time requesters, so mention if this is your first time asking for help. Step 4. If initially denied, politely ask to speak with a manager or supervisor. Managers often have more authority to approve payment extensions and may be able to offer additional options that regular representatives cannot provide. Step 5. If you qualify for low-income assistance, explore Spectrum Internet Assist. This program offers discounted internet service for eligible households, which can help reduce your monthly bills and make payments more manageable long-term. Step 6. Be aware of autopay failure fees. As of May 2025, Spectrum charges a $5 fee for autopay failures. However, you'll receive immediate notification and have 3 days to update your payment method before the fee is applied. Following these 6 steps gives you the best chance of successfully obtaining a payment extension from Spectrum. Remember to be proactive, honest about your situation, and polite throughout the process. Good communication is key to working with Spectrum's customer service team.